plenty of oxygen available. There was no boundary, nothing stopping them from growing and taking over that space, that there was no immune system, that there was, that's a lot of barriers to growth in a body for a cancer cell to actually grow and divide where it's not supposed to be, right? Our bodies are built for our normal systems. They have a design to them. It's a city already planned, already made with roads and homes and factories and everything. So for you to come in and build a new building, you have to first make space for it. You have to find a place to settle down and make that new building. So it's not so easy to just go ahead and start, just because you're a rogue cell, that you're going to start dividing and make a cancer or tumor immediately. Chances are you're going to be there a while before you can get to multiply and divide.